everyone, welcome. If you are looking for a quick curry that goes perfectly with chapati, puri or even with dosa, today I'm sharing a very simple and delicious potato curry recipe. This recipe needs just a few basic ingredients and comes together in less than 15 minutes. There won't be much prep work except slicing onions and dicing some tomatoes. I'll be showing the entire recipe step by step, so make sure you watch till the end. Come on, let's get started. In a pan, add a 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds are spluttering, add some cumin seeds. Now I'm adding one roughly sliced onion. Fry them very well. Just cook them until they turn soft and transparent. Next, add some curry leaves. Now South Indian gravy will be done without curry leaves. Next, I'm adding few green chilies. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Biting a piece of chili in the gravy gives a really nice kick and enhances the taste. Here comes a very important ingredient for this gravy, gram flour. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of it. This gives the gravy perfect consistency and a very nice flavor. Next, add 1 finely chopped tomato. Add salt as per your taste. Adding the salt at this stage helps the tomatoes cook faster and speeds up the process. Add 1 cup of frozen peas. Now I'm adding 3 mashed potatoes. To make this curry faster, use a microwave oven to cook the potatoes. Just cook them for 60 seconds on each side. This gives perfectly cooked potatoes. No need to worry about mushy or undercooked potatoes anymore. Mix it very well. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of water. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. At this point, the curry may look a little thin, but don't worry. As it cools down, it will thicken and bring the gravy to the perfect consistency. It looks perfect for me now. So let's turn off the flame. I'm adding some chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. Our delicious potato curry is ready in less than 20 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.